Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting both devices on the same Wi-Fi. This is why Discovery works. Once done, enable wireless display or Miracast on the My TV so it can accept connections. Make sure your phone's quick settings show Screencast or Smart View. Tap it now to search. You act first, then the TV will appear. This reduces pairing errors and keeps latency low. Start casting as soon as the TV name shows up in the phone list. After initiating a scan, choose the My TV from the phone list. This is the actual connection step. When the TV shows a pairing prompt, accept it. That confirms secure access. Once paired, make sure you grant audio and screen permissions so apps can stream sound and video. If you need lower latency, change resolution or disable high-quality streaming in the phone's cast options. These tweaks control performance versus quality, so pick what suits your watch. To end the session, open your phone's cast notification and tap Stop. This cleanly releases the My TV. Make sure audio is routed correctly in the playing app and close other heavy apps to reduce lag. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot the phone and the My TV, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band, and check for firmware updates. That's the single best troubleshooting tip when discovery or casting fails. Once fixed, repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.